Our acrylic display sign holders are the perfect tabletop displays for offices, restaurants, trade shows, schools, retail stores, hotels, special events, and much more. The acrylic display sign holders come in 3 different styles: the slant back, bottom loading, and top loading style. We also have them available in a variety of sizes to meet your advertising needs. We carry business card, postcard, and standard letter sizes. These holders are made from high-quality acrylic that can withstand pressure and resist impact. Display and protect your graphics at an affordable cost. Setup is easily done in seconds. Simply slide in your graphic and you are ready to go. You can display photographs, menus, promotions, contact information, and much more. You can easily swap out your graphics for future applications. They are very convenient, affordable, and durable. Please visit our website to check out the different styles and sizes we carry. Order your sign holders today.